Hey guys, welcome to Bharti Yoga. I am Bharti. Today we'll be learning how to do Garudasana or the eagle pose. This pose is great for stretching and strengthening the leg muscles, especially the calves and the ankles. It also helps in stretching the shoulders and the upper back. Since it's a balancing asana, it also helps in improving concentration. So once you are ready, let's hop onto the mat and get going.
Stand in Tadasana. Bring your feet hip distance apart. Spread your toes and ground both your feet firmly into the mat. Straighten your spine and roll your shoulders back. Look forward to focus on a point in front of you. Bend both the knees slightly, then shift your weight to the left leg. Raise the right foot and bring the right thigh over the left thigh. Then wrap the right foot behind the left calf and try to hook the right big toe just behind the left ankle. Bring the hands to your hips and try to get your balance here. Once you're able to balance, raise both the arms to the chest level. Bring the left elbow over the right elbow and then intertwine the arms together to bring both the palms together. Raise your elbows to the chin level. Maintaining your focus, stay here in Garudasana for a few breaths. Slowly bring the arms down and the right leg down. Shake out both the legs. Let's repeat this for the other side. Bring the left leg over the right thigh and wrap the left foot behind the right calf. Maintaining balance, bring the right elbow over the left elbow and intertwine the hands. Stay here for a few breaths. Eagle pose is great for stretching the ankles, calves, and the shoulders. Slowly release and come back to Tadasana. This was Garudasana or the eagle pose as taught in Light on Yoga. Hope you enjoyed it. Do subscribe to the channel to stay tuned to new videos every week. Bye-bye.